The Wise Man's Enchanted Forest. In a magical land, there once was a sage who wanted to create a wondrous new age. He dreamed of a forest, abundant and free, where all living things could thrive harmoniously. The wise man set out to make his vision come true with the help of his animal friends, old and new. The birds dropped seeds from high in the sky, while squirrels buried nuts, their spirits so spry. The deer and the rabbits nibbled on grass, their droppings enriching the soil as they pass. The worms and the beetles, they burrowed below, aerating the earth, helping plants to grow. The wise man observed, his heart full of joy, as the forest took shape, like a marvelous toy. Trees of all kinds, from tall to small, created a canopy, sheltering all. Fruit trees aplenty, with bounties to share, provided sweet sustenance, a feast beyond compare. The wise man and his friends, they all gathered round, enjoying the harvest so rich and profound. The food forest grew, a haven from strife, protecting its dwellers from harsh weather and life. The cold winds were tamed by the trees standing tall, and the frosty nights conquered by the warmth of them all. The animals frolicked, the plants did thrive, in the wise man's forest, forever alive. A testament to nature's divine design, where all could flourish intertwined. And so, the enchanted forest continued to grow, a symbol of harmony for all to know. The wise man smiled, content and serene, knowing that with nature he'd found the right team.